Multi-role fighter jet. Low radar signature. Sensor fusion. Network-centric warfare capability. Vertical takeoff capability. Air superiority fighter. Super cruise capability. Low visibility technology. Exceptional maneuverability. Advanced electronic warfare systems. China's first fifth-generation fighter jet. Long range. Advanced sensor and radar systems. Internal weapon bays. High speed and maneuverability. Multi-role combat aircraft. Super maneuverability. Radar-absorbing coating. Hypersonic weapons capability. Networked warfare ability. One of the most advanced fourth-generation fighters. High maneuverability. Advanced avionics systems. Multi-role mission capability. Effective at subsonic and supersonic speeds.